take up explanation of Chapter 2, Unbreakable, from your English reader book. It is an autobiography written by M.C. Mary Kom about the ordeal that she had to pass through for achieving her goal. M.C. Mary Kom, popularly known as Magnificent Mary, proved herself to be a woman of indomitable spirit, who became the winner of World Amateur Boxing Championship for a record 6 times. Through her determination and passion for boxing, she proved herself to be a worthy daughter of this country. This extract from her autobiography, Unbreakable, describes her attempt at winning the gold medal at the 2012 London Olympics. The title is just the perfect one, as unbreakable means indestructible. Mangte Chungnijung Mary Kom was born on 1st March 1983. She is the only female boxer to have won a medal in each one of the first 7 World Championships. She is the only Indian female boxer to have qualified for the 2012 Summer Olympics. Mary Kom was born in Kangithai village, Moirong, Lamkhai in Churachandpur district of rural Manipur in India. She came from a very poor family. Her parents, Mangte Tompa Kom and Mangte Akham Kom, were tenant farmers who worked in the field. Mary Kom studied at Lokta Christian Model School at Morang up to her 6th standard, and thereafter she attended St. Xavier's Catholic School, Morang, up to class 8th. It was at this juncture Dinko Singh, a fellow Manipuri, returned from the 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal. It was the success of Dinko Singh that inspired her to switch from athletics to boxing in 2000. She started her training under her first coach, K. Kosana Mithai, in Imphal, and when she was just 15, she took the decision to leave her hometown to study at the Sports Academy in the state capital, Imphal. In the year 2012, ABBA Women's World Boxing Championship, Kom participated at the 2012 Summer Olympics in London, the first time women's boxing had featured as an Olympic sport at that time. In this chapter, we will read about her experiences when she went to London for the bout. At the Olympics July 2012, Mary Kom was on a flight to London. At Heathrow, she felt as if she was going to face an angry bull, as she could see the posters which advertised the games everywhere. But in the heart, she thought that she must win. She thought in her heart, I must win this bout. I must win. I must win. First Olympic round was held on 5 August 2012 with Kom defeating Karolina of Poland in the 3rd women's boxing match ever to be fought at the Olympics. According to her, with a silent prayer, she turned to the opponent. She seemed to be a concrete wall to her, but somehow she could not manage the techniques as she lagged in it, and due to which Mary Kom won the bout. With 1 day's rest, she reached the semi-finals, and her opponent was Nicole Adams. She was bigger and stronger. She had the advantage of height and she won. And finally, she stood third in the competition and garnered an Olympic bronze medal. In recognition, the Manipur government awarded her rupees 50 lakhs and 2 acres of land in a cabinet meeting held on 9th August 2012. She is the recipient of the following awards: Arjuna Award for boxing in the year 2003, Padma Shri in the year 2006, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in the year 2009, Padma Bhushan for sports in the year 2013, and Padma Vibhushan in the year 2020. Standing on the podium for the medal ceremony, her heart was in pain as she thought that she had let her country down. But the next moment, she consoled herself, thinking that she would try again. And she actually took a lot of time to realize that she was the Olympic medal winner. Mary Kom is an achiever in the real sense, and she is indeed an inspiration for millions of women. She is the recipient of so many awards, and she had shown with her spirit that hard work, passion, talent, and courage can truly help you to achieve your dreams. Thank you.